Hello, Niagara-on-the-Lake. Betty Disero here. I want to talk to you about two issues and give you a bit of an update on variants and vaccines. So let's start with variants. Niagara Region, 10 days ago, had 6 cases of people that had tested positive for some sort of variant. At least that's what the medical officer of health explained to us. He did say that variants spread more quickly and more rapidly than the regular virus does. As of today, Niagara Region has 40 people that have tested positive for the variant. When you look on the Niagara Region website, you'll see that the variants of concern says 0, although it does identify 40 people having tested for the variant. There's a lag between the time someone tests positive for a variant, like 10 days ago, those 6 people did, until we find out the type of variant they have. And that's why you see the 0, because we don't know at this point what variant it is that they've been carrying. So you'll start to see once we get those returns, and that should be in the next week, we'll start to find out the type of variants people have. You'll see that start to go up on the website. But I have been asked a lot of questions why there's a number of people with variants and yet no variants of concern. So that's just a little clarification. If you're looking on the website, there are people that are testing positive, and that test is 95% accurate. So there are people that are testing positive for the variant. Vaccines. So for us in Niagara-on-the-Lake, I've received a lot of phone calls and emails from people asking 3 basic questions. Where is the clinic going to be? When can I register to put my name in because I'm 80 or over? And when will the vaccines actually start? So I do have information a little bit on all those fronts. The location that is just being now finalized by the Department of Health, and they are the ones that will make that final decision. So they're crossing T's and dotting I's at the moment, but it looks like the direction they're going will be the Niagara-on-the-Lake Community Center. We had offered up the arena at one point, but that was not suitable for what the Niagara region had planned to do with the vaccine centers. The second item is, when can I register? So Dr. Hergy told us last week that we will be able to register on March 15th because the Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara region will be using the provincial website to register everyone. So it goes into one big provincial database. Should by March 15 the province still not be ready with that database, Dr. Hergy does have a backup plan, but look to March 15th as being the day that you will register. So a little patience until then. The third item, the protocol and when we might start getting vaccines into arms. So Dr. Hergy explained that should we get additional doses of vaccines, knock on wood, that's coming, and it's coming in the timeline we've been told, we will start, or the Department of Public Health will start to administer vaccines the last week of March. So it'll give them about a week to get everyone into the system and get people into appointments, and then they'll be starting the vaccination shortly after that. So now you know where, you know how to register, and you know when, and the protocol is for those over 80 who will start to get the vaccinations first. So if you were born any time in the year 1941 or before that, you are eligible for registration. I hope this information has been helpful in some way. The town of Niagara-on-the-Lake will continue to put out information through our communications and team on our website, on Facebook, and through Twitter to ensure that everyone knows what's going on with respect to vaccines. I want to just ask you to continue the protocol of wearing a mask where you go, keeping a distance from people, staying home whenever you can within your own family bubble, and washing your hands regularly. That will keep us healthy until everyone in Niagara-on-the-Lake and Niagara Region have had the vaccination if they want it. Thank you very much.